Yo, what's going on? It's your guy J-Day. I'm back again, guys. Listen, today I have another dish for you guys, another crowd pleaser. This is something that my clients order all the time. And this dish is, for those you know, I know I love coconut milk, you know what I mean? So today I'm doing coconut curry shrimp pasta, all right? I done pretty much got everything ready to go. I got my shrimp seasoned. I have the curry powder in here and some all-purpose seasoning, Lori seasoning, whatever kind of seasoning you want to use. It's not that serious, but I got that ready. I got my my scotch bonnet pepper and garlic already chopped up in my palong. And guys, let's get ready. Let's get ready. It's an easy step, not too hard, and a 1, 2, 3. So what I'm gonna do now, the oil's already hot, so I'm gonna add a couple of sprigs of thyme to this oil. Right, I'm gonna add some of this scotch bonnet pepper, because that's going to intensify the flavor there. Okay, and then I have my vegetables here. I got some carrots, some onions, red pepper, green pepper. So I'm gonna throw the carrots in first because the carrots do take a little longer to cook. So I'm gonna throw some carrots in there, right? Carrots up in there, boy. Let that cook in, just like that. Let's just throw everything in there at once, okay? Make it a vegetable medley, okay? Yeah, buddy. And this dish right here, guys, is a dish that I came up with on my own, okay? This is my own recipe, something that I came up with. So what I'm gonna do, guys, now that the vegetables are in here, I'm gonna season the vegetables with a little bit of Lawry's. With a little bit of Lawry's there, okay? Just like that. And I'm gonna add some Better Pop curry. Now normally, guys, when I do curry, I burn the curry, but this curry is so potent, you don't need to burn it, okay? When you use Better Pop, you do not need to burn this curry, all right? Coming from a true Jamaican that told me about Better Pop. This is all I use. So I'm gonna pour some Better Pop in there, okay? To curry up the vegetable. Or make the curry nice, okay? So you're gonna let that stir fry in there like that. Just like that. You can already smell the curry. Curry smell nice. For you, those of you who like curry, let me know. Hit a comment in the section. If you like curry as much as I do, let me know. Because I love curry. I can eat about 2 times a week, you know. Maybe 2, 3 times, depending on what kind of curry it is. All right? So I'm gonna let this stir fry just like that. It smells amazing in here. And as I said, guys, this dish don't take long at all. Okay? And as I said, you don't need to burn the curry because the curry's already cooking with the vegetables. You see what I'm saying? Okay? So let this stir fry for maybe about 2 minutes or so, right? And once this stir fries, I'm gonna add enough water in here just to cover the vegetable. You don't wanna make it soupy, but you wanna put enough water just to cover the vegetable, all right? So let this stir fry for about 1 minute or 2 and I'll be right back. You guys stay tuned. All right, so as you can see, the vegetables are nice and al dente, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put some hot water in here and just cover the vegetables up. Just enough water to cover the vegetable like that, okay? Just like that. You see that? It's not a whole lot, but it's enough to cover the vegetables, okay? And you see, once you put the water in there, you know, this would be the time to taste your water to make sure it have enough flavor, all right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna taste the water and see how, if it have the flavor. If it do have the flavor, we're gonna let it just cook up, stew down a little bit. I need a little bit more flavor. Yeah, man. All right, so we're gonna add some seasoning salt to this curry. Just like that. Just like that. Make sure your vegetables have a nice flavor to it. You're gonna mix it in like that and just taste it one more time. All right. It can use a little bit more, guys. I cook this dish enough to know, because what you're gonna do, you're gonna add the coconut milk to here too. So you want it to have enough flavor, all right? So I'm gonna taste this again. Perfect, perfect, guys. This is what I'm talking about. So we're gonna let this cook on down for a little bit, and then I'll add the coconut milk and I'll show you guys the next step, all right? I'll be right back. Okay guys, as you can see, the vegetables is looking real nice. They're done and ready to go. So now what I'm gonna do, because this is the last step pretty much, I have my shrimp seasoned, okay? And I'm just gonna add the shrimp right on in here like that, and let that shrimp cook on in the vegetables, just like that. Just like that. Let the shrimp cook on in. It smells amazing in here too. Smell like an island kitchen by, what y'all know about that? So I'm gonna let this shrimp cook on in, right? And once the shrimp is done, I'm gonna add 1 can of Grace coconut milk. I like to use Grace because I feel like Grace has more of a coconut flavor than any other cans of coconut milks out there. If you're gonna use fresh coconut milk, you can do that. But this is like the best next thing to fresh coconut milk, all right? So this will be my recommendation. So I'm gonna let the shrimp cook in. Once that cooks in, I'll add the coconut milk, and then I'll come back and show you guys the end result. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, so as you can see, the shrimp is nice and done. So now the last step is, the last 2 steps, this is 1 pot meal. I mean, you can't get no easier than that. I'm gonna take this can of coconut milk and drop it right on in there like that. Just like that, okay? Take the coconut milk like that. It smells amazing, guys. And then, last but not least, I'm gonna add my tricolor pasta in here with the coconut milk and the shrimp, okay? Add that pasta in there and mix it on in like that. And as you know, pasta expands, so trust me, the pasta is gonna soak up all of this juice. And then there you have it. This is your coconut curry pasta. Yeah, bye. My dish made from yours truly. Something, like I said, easy. Prep time, I say about no more than 15 minutes to cut up your vegetables. And you just, you assemble everything together once it's done. And then what you do, once you add your coconut milk in, the last step I'm gonna show you is this. You're gonna take some fresh scallions and drop it right on in there like that. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that, guys. So there you have it. This is your boy's famous crowd pleaser, curry coconut shrimp pasta. And I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe. It's your guy, JD. I appreciate all the love and support, man. And if y'all looking for dishes from me, leave a message in the comment section and I got y'all, all right? Peace and love until you next time, and I'll be talking to you guys soon.